Forest Carpentry of Las Cruces, New Mexico is your hometown carpentry service. Owner Jody Naylor has all the tools and expertise to complete any woodworking project that you may have for either a business or residential project. Jody started as a carpenter in 1978. Over the years, he has perfected his craft to bring you high-quality furnishings that will last for generations at a fair and honest price. Jody can also complete other household projects that require handyman repairs. Give Forest Carpentry a shot for your next project. Call 575-642-7729 for more information or a project estimate, or visit Forest Carpentry on the web at www.forestcarpentrynm.com.